Welcome to Solvetic, your channel to always learn technology easily. Below in the description, you will find useful links and commands we used in this video. Today in Solvetic, we will see how to fix Roblox Crash and unexpected error occurred. Chapter 1. How to fix Roblox Crash and unexpected error occurred deleting local files. To start, in the search box, enter %localappdata%, click on File folder. Here in the File Explorer, select the Roblox folder and click Delete. Chapter 2. How to fix Roblox Crash and unexpected error occurred deleting temps. To start, in the search box enter %temp% and click on File folder. Now search for the Roblox folder. Once selected, click Delete to delete it. Chapter 3. How to fix Roblox Crash and unexpected error occurred using administrator mode. To begin, right-click on the Roblox player shortcut and select the Properties option. After that, go to the Compatibility tab. Here you will activate the box, run this program as an administrator, click Apply and OK to save the changes. Chapter 4. How to fix Roblox Crash and unexpected error occurred reinstalling the application. To begin, click Start, then click on Settings. After this, in Apps, click on Installed Apps. Here, locate Roblox, then click on the three dots and select Uninstall. You must click on Uninstall again to confirm the process. Now just wait for Roblox to be uninstalled from the system. Then go to the link we left you in the video description. Click on Download Now. After this, run the downloaded file and wait for Roblox to be installed on the system. Hey, remember to subscribe Solvetic channel. We hope it has been helpful for you. Here are links to watch more videos of your interest and subscribe to the Solvetic channel. Thank you.